If your agency's lead generation relies on multi-step Zapier chains, your revenue engine is sitting on a ticking time bomb. Silent middleware failures are burning your lead budget without you even knowing it. Here's how we eliminated a critical single point of failure for our client, bypassed Zapier entirely, and built a bulletproof, zero dependency lead pipeline directly into GoHighLevel. Our client was running a classic lead funnel, sourcing prospects in Seamless AI, passing them through Zapier, and dropping them into GoHighLevel for instant outreach. It worked fine until it silently broke. Contacts stopped syncing, leads vanished in transit. Our technical audit confirmed the root cause, an internal API handler failure inside the third party Zapier connector. Waiting on support tickets wasn't an option. Revenue was on the line. We didn't apply a temporary band aid or wait on external devs. We stripped out the middleware completely. Direct HTTP payloads, we configured outbound webhooks straight out of the Seamless AI. Native GHL inbound engine, we built a custom inbound webhook listener directly inside GoHighLevel to catch and process the raw payload in sub-second time. Automated normalization. Raw fields are mapped instantly, tagged, and routed into the live sales sequence with zero latency. Sub-second delivery, zero Zapier usage fee, and 100% execution accuracy. Fragile middleware costs high-ticket agencies qualified clients every single day. If your operations depend on complex, multi-app Zapier chains, you're exposing your business to unnecessary operational risks. Stop patching broken zaps and losing leads. Click the link below, book an architecture audit with our team today, and let us build you a zero dependency system designed to scale.